Jewelry as a category
हाँ.
is a high margin or a low margin industry? And how long does it take to get a break even in the business?
See, again, it all boils down to how much you're investing and how much you're spending in marketing. But jewelry is a very, very profitable industry where the margins can be as high as 45 to 80%.
Oh, okay.
Basis the price points. And your net margin and gross margin obviously will be different. But even if you look at the gross margin, it will be very, very handsome because, again, what goes into making jewelry versus how it's sold, the gap is always higher. So imagine a 40 to 80% margin over a period of time. With the kind of investments that you've done, chances that you will always earn back the money. But when you start scaling up, which is more marketing, more products, more collaborations, you need the cash flow. And I think that's why for a brand in today's time to survive, I'll go back to the old question, which is online versus offline. I say omni-channel, where then once you know that the brand is making certain kind of numbers, the brand then should have a presence in all related places. It should have a presence in a store. It should have presence in the online space. It should have presence in a marketplace which caters to his target audience, and should start collaborating with other brands to create stuff. And suddenly there are different categories coming out of the same brand.
Okay.
So yeah.
So yeah, in a short period, one can have a break-even point.
Yeah.
In 1-2 years.
I would say 1 year.
1 year.
1 year. I mean, even 1 year is like, again, like I'm saying, like imagine if you have invested 2 lakhs.
Right.
Now, if you just break it down and look at the numbers, you've invested 2 lakhs. 2 lakhs में आपने online space में डाला. If you look at a website, you can buy a domain for as little less than $1,000 if the name is fun and not too generic. You've got your thing. Starting when you're starting out, get an LP done. X amount goes there. Then either you hire a photographer. A good photographer can be anything between 30,000 to 40,000 rupees a day, or you can use your iPhone and click. So again, like
And use AI for photo shoots, right?
Yeah, use AI for photo shoot.
And the collection, the cost.
The collection cost, you put it open.
Yeah.
Putting it online doesn't take time.
Right.
Then starting May, as is the first round of visibility that you'll get is from your friends and families.
Right.
And then you start your performance marketing. Again, performance marketing has a very simple principle that once you identify your target audience, your sample audience, the amount of money you spend, it will quantify into something if you work with a good performance marketing agency. So if you look at it with bare minimum costs, like why wait for a year? But still, I feel that 1 year is a good period to gauge the kind of numbers.
Thank you for watching my clips. If you want more clips like this, please follow my channel, BSMS India Clips.